Good morning, class. My name is Jack. Please take your math books to page 4.
Teacher, I have a question.
What is your question, Grover?
What time do we get out of here?
You get out of here when I tell you to.
But...
Shut the fuck up! Now, class, what is 6 times...
Damn, Grover, you got owned. Shut up, that's why I slept with your girl. What the fuck?
You see, math is not hard.
Hey, teacher, can I please use the restroom?
Yes, but next time raise your damn hand. Now, yes, Cookie Monster.
Can me please use the restroom?
Wait until Grover comes back, then you can go.
But sir, me really gotta take one, man. Me can't hold it. Please.
Fine, but don't ask again.
Washing my hands.
So, if 4 times 7 equals... What the hell was that?